Hi guys, we're gonna unbox Neo today. This is it. I know I'm very late to the party. It's been over 10 days. You already seen many videos in the YouTube already. Okay, anyway, let's open it. I think there is no bag. $2.99 with controller, so not expect much. I think it is what it's like. Oh yeah, it's the batteries with the charger. The tiny drone, so tiny batteries. The screwdrivers and the cables. Sorry, my kids are playing upstairs. They're loud on this play. Here it is. Ooh, this tiny one. It looks like a kilo. It's like a size-wise. Why can't I take it? I think it needs to pinch it. We'll do it later. Okay, this is like a battery. It goes like that. Perfect. Really like it. We have some spare props and some terms and conditions and manuals, and the RCN3. It's been a while I used remote control with no screen. I think it's not last one I just pressed it. And last one I had a Mini 2 with no screen on. Pull it here to put the phone in. Going back holidays. And that's it guys, see you in next video.